Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and efficiency with a review of the best 5 dishwashers available on Amazon. If you're tired of spending hours at the sink scrubbing dishes, you're in the right place. We've carefully selected these countertop dishwashers, perfect for small apartments, dorms, RVs, or anyone seeking a hassle-free dishwashing experience. Before we jump into the reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and home improvement tips. Let's kick things off with the first product on our list. The KAPASA Portable Countertop Dishwasher offers 5 washing programs, ensuring you can customize the wash cycle to suit your specific needs. With its built-in 3-cup water tank and 3D cyclone spray, this dishwasher delivers a thorough and efficient cleaning performance. An added bonus is the fruit and vegetable cleaning basket, making it a versatile kitchen assistant. It also features high-temperature washing and air drying, so your dishes come out spotless and ready to use. The package includes a faucet adapter, making installation a breeze, perfect for those seeking an easy-to-use and compact dishwasher solution. Next up, we have the HAVA Portable Dishwasher. This unit boasts a 5-liter built-in water tank and an inlet hose, offering flexibility in how you supply water. With 6 programs, including a baby care setting, you can rest assured that your baby's bottles and dishes are cleaned thoroughly and hygienically. The air drying function comes in handy, especially in small living spaces, eliminating the need for a large drying rack. Ideal for small apartments, dorms, and RVs, this countertop dishwasher is a great space-saving solution. Now, let's talk about the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher. This portable dishwasher features 5 washing programs and a 5-liter built-in water tank, specifically designed for glassware. Its compact design and portability make it perfect for those with glass doors or limited kitchen space. The Hermitlux dishwasher delivers sparkling clean dishes while taking up minimal countertop space. It's a great option for individuals or couples seeking convenience without compromising on performance. Up next, we have the Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. With its 7-program system, this dishwasher covers all your dishwashing needs, from regular dishes to glassware and baby products. Suitable for home, RV, and apartment use, this dishwasher requires a hookup, ensuring a continuous water supply. Say goodbye to hand washing and hello to efficiency with this versatile and reliable appliance. Last, we have the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, featuring a 6-liter built-in water tank. This mini dishwasher offers more space inside, allowing you to wash larger quantities of dishes in one go. With 7 programs, including a UV hygiene cycle, you can be confident in the cleanliness and safety of your dishes. The auto door open feature allows for better air circulation and drying, so your dishes are ready to use right after each wash. Perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs, this dishwasher makes daily chores a breeze. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 picks for the best dishwashers on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a compact solution for a small space or an efficient appliance for your on-the-go lifestyle, these countertop dishwashers have got you covered. Before you go, don't forget to let us know in the comments below which dishwasher caught your eye, and if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy dishwashing!